Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get Onstream on your PC or laptop. How can you get it? First of all, you just need to open any of your browser, and once you have opened any of the browser, you just need to go to Google or like Bing and search here BlueStacks. Now BlueStack is basically an emulator. You just need to write down the correct spelling. This is the one BlueStacks, so make sure to open the BlueStacks website and just download BlueStacks from here. And once it is downloaded, you just need to install it through its setup and it will start installing. So once this is the basically emulator, it will basically run all the mobile applications inside your PC, or you can say your laptop. Like installed it, there's a basically library of BlueStacks where you can search your applications whatever you're looking for. Otherwise you might find it in the like Play Store as well inside the BlueStacks. So just write down Onstream and you will see the application. As you can see, this is basically available inside the BlueStacks library. So once you have installed BlueStacks, just click on run Onstream on PC and that will start running on your PC. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.